Hey everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you an easy way to get bait in Terraria. First we build a house and find this NPC. We approach him and buy a bug net. Next we head to the jungle. Then we build a platform in the jungle. Soon grass starts growing on it. We wait for it to fully grow. Or you can have a dryad move into the jungle. Yeah, when you break plants, the dryad appears. You can buy jungle seeds from her. Jungle seeds, that is. Once it's overgrown, break the plants to get worms. Then you can catch them with the bug net. That's all there is to it. This has been Velor. See you next time.